The warning performance limited service fuel system in Jeep vehicles was an epidemic problem starting in 2022 and up to 2024 model year. Apparently, it was mainly caused by a software problem, but a lot of owners went through long repairs and diagnostic rounds in dealerships, spending weeks without their cars. Eventually, the problem was solved with the TSB 180484 and then also the revision for this TSB. So there are three main scenarios for this message. First of all, if there is something wrong with the fuel in your tank, you will get this message. I know the case when the Wrangler owner put several gallons of fuel from the canister that had been sitting in his garage for ages into the tank. After several miles, he got this message and the car lost power. But after refueling at the nearest gas station, he managed to solve the problem. Also, if your engine recommends premium gas only and you are using 87 octane fuel, this may sometimes trigger this warning. Secondly, if you see this performance limited service fuel system message and the check engine light, it means there is an actual problem in the system. This may be a problem with the fuel pump, injectors, lines, filters, etc. But in this case, your car will actually lose power or even stall and require professional inspection and repairs. But the most common scenario is when you just see this message on the dash for a short time and then it disappears and the power remains normal. This may happen when you decelerate or stop at the intersection or when you sharply accelerate, and in this case you need to have the software updated using the TSB that I've mentioned before in this video. It's not the fuel pump problem and there is no need to buy more expensive fuel. It's just a software issue that has already been solved by Stellantis, so just install the update.